Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create a fiat wallet on crypto.com. First, open the crypto.com app on your mobile device. From the home screen, you'll want to navigate to the Fiat Wallet section. Once there, you can select your preferred fiat currency, like US dollars or euros, to begin the setup process. This initial step is quick and sets the foundation for managing your funds. Next, you'll need to complete any necessary identity verification steps to ensure your account is secure. This might involve providing some personal details or documents. After verification, carefully review and agree to the terms and conditions for using the Fiat wallet. Finally, confirm your selection to officially create and activate your new Fiat wallet within the app. It's a straightforward process. Once your Fiat wallet is active, you'll want to fund it. Tap the deposit button to see all the available funding methods. You can typically choose options like a bank transfer or linking a debit card. Follow the clear instructions provided to securely link your bank account or card. This step allows you to easily transfer funds into your crypto.com Fiat wallet, ready for use. With funds in your Fiat wallet, you can now easily buy cryptocurrencies directly within the crypto.com app. When you need to, you can also withdraw funds back to your linked bank account. Remember to monitor your transaction history regularly within the wallet section. This helps you keep track of all your deposits, withdrawals, and crypto purchases, giving you full control over your finances.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.